Hi guys, it's Dean from Extreme Car Cleaning, and today I want to talk about perception and perspective. Okay, when I look at this vehicle, I don't look at all the imperfections. I actually see the finished product. All right, I see the potential of this vehicle. Now, 5 or 6 different people look at this and say, "Oh my God, that's a lot of work." That's not what I see. I see what's there at the end, and I'm kind of a visionary. Like I see the end product, and I'm just trying to figure out how to get to that point. So my point here is everything has a different way of looking at it. Okay, I worked in a body shop for 10 years. Most guys will go, "Oh, come on, that's the worst place to learn. You're not going to learn anything working in a body shop." That's absolutely wrong. Okay, there's actually uh, nuggets of knowledge there if you're willing to look and see it from a different angle. Now, I worked hand in hand with the painter there. We worked together. He would paint the vehicle, I would fix it afterwards. I would remove all the defects and things out of the paint. Now, Mark saw potential in myself that I didn't even realize was there. Mark thought, if I teach this guy how to remove the defects, then I don't have to do it. Then this guy can continue on and vacuum the car out, wash it down, polish the panels that need to be polished. Mark looked at it from a different angle. He looked at it as an opportunity for the two of us to work together. And I looked at it as an opportunity for myself to learn. Okay? There's a lot of potential all around us, and we need to understand that potential and look at it from a different perspective. All right? There's detailers out there that are doing videos, and other detailers are wondering, why are they putting this out there? It's, that's not geared to me. Sometimes it's not geared to you. Sometimes it's geared to your customer, the guy that's a do-it-yourselfer, and then by watching these other detailers realizes, hey, there's more going on here than I realize. I can't really do that. Maybe I'm going to seek out somebody that's a professional and get ceramic coating done, or get my car properly paint corrected. You need to give people the benefit of the doubt and start respecting what everybody's out there doing. Anybody that's posting up a video doing detailing, no matter who their target audience is helping us in some way. Okay, the more people that are talking about detailing and doing detailing, it helps all of us get our name out there in one way or another. And we have to look at that. Whether it's product driven or whether it's just somebody showing their own talent and how they do a car, that helps all of us because it informs the customer and it brings new customers in. I noticed a huge influx of customers after YouTube started jumping and people started watching YouTube. I had a lot of customers coming in here. And I'm not going to just pick any icon, but I'll say there's a lot of them out there. And my customers are watching them and saying, hey, I saw this on so-and-so's YouTube channel. Can I get that done? Well, of course you can. Now, this detailer's out there selling my customers services that I didn't offer before, or services that I do offer that they never asked me about. My point here is, let's all work together and really try hard to see the potential in each other and see things from a different perspective. Because if you want to work on fantastic jobs like the one I'm currently working on, the best way to do that is to go into it with an open mind and open your eyes and look around, go into the detailing groups, reach out to the people that are successful, reach out to the people that you can properly learn from that have been doing this for a long time, and don't be afraid to ask questions. When I worked at the body shop, I asked Mark a lot of questions, okay? And because the two of us saw, the potential in working together, we accomplished a lot of fantastic things, even when I was at the body shop. And now I've just accelerated that. Now that I'm working on my own, I'm doing a lot of wonderful things. I'm doing things that I never thought I could do. All right? Now, if Mark hadn't taken me under his wing and shown me everything that he did, there's no way I would be at this level. So before you go on the groups and the forums and everything else and start bashing people and making fun of people or leaving comments on somebody's YouTube channel, just take a moment to think about it. Maybe you're not their target audience. Maybe their target audience is actually the brand new customer that just walked in the door and says, hey, I saw so-and-so's video. You need to step back a little bit and think about that, okay? I want all you guys to have a fantastic day, and let's all try to get along, because honestly, at the end of the day, we're all on the same team, okay? If I win or another detailer's winning and has, you know, 1 million subscribers, that's fantastic, because those 1 million subscribers, a large amount of those are probably customers of ours that are out there watching, and they're going to come to us for the first time. All right? So if you get a chance and there's somebody out there that you follow, or a customer has said to you, oh, I watched so-and-so, reach out to them and, you know what, thank them, because without them doing this every single day and without looking at things a different way, we don't grow, we don't evolve. All right? Have a fantastic day, guys. It's Saturday. Make the most of it. Have a fantastic weekend. And I'll talk to you guys again soon. All right? Bye.